Hi, we're going to assemble the vintage damask ornament using this jig that will be available for free on my Facebook page. You insert the back into the shallowest side of the jig, then you flip it over, and then this is the middle piece, which is a 16th inch with 3M backing on both, 3M double-sided tape on both sides. You just remove the backing and put, using the jig, put the middle piece in place. Then you turn the jig over, remove the other side of the backing, and then add the front, solid piece. And then once it is down, what I found the best way to do is that, take the very front piece, it'll have 3M backing on it. And so you just remove the backing from the front piece. And then once that is done, you just turn it to the shallow side again. You press it facing down, and then you add the remainder of the ornament. So once you're done, you have your this can be an interchangeable, ornament, a photo ornament with a backing, or an interchangeable ornament without a backing. You also can add this front piece to dress it up should you want. I did not because I like the way it looks, but again, I was just pointing out you can add a back to make this a photo ornament. Or you can leave the backing off to make it an interchangeable, you know, um, ornament that I'll show you here. There are two different patterns of damask, you know, patterns, and then I'm showing here how you can, um, insert the Smoky Hill 2.25-inch inserts to change it out or make a different, look to the ornament. You can have these available in different colors and let the customer choose their insert.